Hello and welcome to FME Training. My name is Adnan and today we are going to learn how to import files and data into FME. There are different ways to do this, but today I will focus on two of them. The first and most recommended method to do this is to use the Readers tab and then select Add Reader. In FME, input files are referred to as readers, while output files are called writers. From the Format section, you can specify the type of the input file for FME. Clicking on the drop-down arrow lets you choose from commonly used formats. If you don't see the format you need, click More Formats to access additional options. Here, you'll find a complete list of supported formats, and you can also use the search to find a specific one. For example, searching for a shapefile or geodatabase will display all relevant formats available in FME. You can also perform this step from the main menu. In this case, I will select SHP because I want to open a file containing Canada's provincial boundaries, so it's an SHP file. In the dataset section, specify the file path for your input data. If you don't need to modify the coordinate system, it is best to leave the coordinate system setting unchanged. If you want to import layers separately, select individual feature types and then click OK. As you can see, a new reader has been added to FME Workspace. By double-clicking on it, you can view its format, geometry, and here we have a polygon and the attribute fields you can access by this tab. Another method that I can suggest is drag and drop method, an easier way to add a file by dragging and dropping it directly from Windows Explorer into FME. Doing this brings up the same window we just explored. You can also check the file path in Navigator panel. If you accidentally close this panel, you can reopen it from View, Windows, and Navigator. Now it's a good time to run the reader. Click on this icon, click Run Just This, and confirm the file path. The translation log panel will indicate whether the process was successful. Another thing you may notice is next to the reader, you can see 15 features have been loaded, meaning the file contains 15 spatial objects, features. Now is a good time to inspect the data. To view the imported file, use the Inspection button, which plays both attribute information and vector geometries. The attribute fields are listed at the top of the table with their values displayed below, and the graphics section provides a visual representation of the data. Just like Esri products, the attribute data is directly linked to the spatial features. Clicking on a row highlights the corresponding feature on the map. Regardless to the file format or layer type, you can follow this process to import data into FME. I hope you enjoyed this video. Good luck.